Belna hambai jeng TSF Town Committee nengai tini Human Rights Commission office ma phelaiya jeng kaisa notice nukha bong ni kaisa order sheet borok publish khlaimani order sheet borok kaisa point mention khaika je Gondasora nio je incident nangmani jagao tini student khoroksa promissory yang je thika jagao accident ngi thiu khani borok kaisa mention khaika ka point no ngaching omonoti Human Rights Commission by chairperson malan haimani chairperson jehetu absence gai bini present jeng member by malaikia gai borok malai jeng omon saimanka borok o report kaisa koni newspaper ni borok o report no kaisa naka article na hari borok government no kaisa order khaika mo borok government order khlaimani sipu je o gotona bahai kubuida betui norok omon chaitogui omoni justice region bagi borok government kaisa order khaika Gajeng Human Rights Commission ne phaiye je human strong ni je rights tongmani je student khorta thikya omoni justice busu jorati mano omorongti jeng bora bai kok salaika Human Rights Commission jengno positive response ka bora kuno side phachingti kok saya they are equally bora joton equal khai kok na haru bora neutral tongo yang phachung thaiya jeng omona bong human rights ni upor jeng omona hopeful tomani je student je khorta thikya bora justice manthun tai o je dugan part nok ro sokjang mani borok bo justice manton jeng omono bong no kok khatar ke hika ga Human Rights Commission sao borok omonote samuklai tongo je mansa borok justice ni phasing thanai borok government no order rikhamonoti hini jeng saima ora tab sab ma tino jagao ang town committee ni president in charge Monish Deborma tongo ga chini town committee ni assistant secretary Runit Deborma ga chini college committee ni secretary assistant secretary Ochin Tripura chini BBMC unit ni ko publicity secretary manai Raima ga BBMC ni manai Juri tongo BBMC unit ni secretary Onil Tripura tongo ga chini BBMC unit ni member chini tongo alejoi hambai